Hey guys, Matt from Eastwood. We're here in my home garage showing you some of my favorite products. So today we're going to tackle a real quick, simple project that's going to utilize the new Eastwood press brake for your vise. This is really handy, a quick tool that you can clip right on the top of your vise and you start making nice, accurate bends in metal and something you can just throw right in your toolbox. So what we're working on today is I have some of this bar stock here that I use, and I'm going to be making a bracket to hold the soft brake line for the front drums on an old Ford. So this is a little period correct hot rod Model T that I've been working on for quite a while, and I'm about to the stage where I need to start running brake lines and all that type of stuff, but I need to make some brackets to hold these soft lines that will attach it to the frame, and then it can run into the backing plate of the drum. So they basically, what I want it to do is hang underneath of the frame somewhere about here, and then it's going to bend and go into the backing plate like that. So what I need to do is create a little piece of metal that I can either weld or bolt to the frame that's going to drop this brake line down below the frame rail, and I can run my hard line into the back side of it, and the soft line will kind of sandwich with these clips, and then I can run the soft line right into the backing plate. So I need to create some bends in this metal. I want them to look pretty nice because it is going to be hanging below the frame and in your eye when you see the car when it's done. So I'm going to walk over. I have the little 4-inch one here that I showed you guys that we offer. I also have the 6-inch one already set up in my vise over there, so we're going to be using that one, and we're going to take a walk over there, show you guys a little closer how I can make really nice bends. So let's walk over there. Alright guys, so you saw how I quickly made that really simple bracket to hold the brake line, the soft line on a hot rod type front end setup like that. A really simple bracket that you can do a much more crude way and the bend doesn't turn out as nice. But by using this little press brake for your vise, it was really quick and simple for me to turn it, bend the piece. I got a really nice radius on it. Sand everything down, hit it with a DA, and it blends and looks like something that I would have bought out of a parts catalog. So I'm really happy with it, and that's just a quick way to show you how handy this is. Now you can bend pieces the full length. The thickness obviously is going to decrease if you're doing a full length, but I really like it for doing things like this, making tabs, making brackets for exhausts, brake hangers, things like that. It all works really, really well. And like I said, it's something that you can quickly throw in your toolbox or keep underneath of your workbench and just throw it right on your vise, and you can make use of it, put it away, real quick setup and clean up. That's why it's one of my favorite new bending tools. That's all I got for this one. If you want more information about the product that you're wearing here, make sure you click the link in the video and you can learn more and also purchase. Thanks guys, catch you later.